If you're new here, welcome. Today, I'm basically trying a bunch of new products that I've kind of accumulated over the past couple months or so. It's gonna be like a first impressions, and I kind of came up with this money green situation we have going here. If you would like to get into the gig and see how I created this look, then yeah, just keep watching. It was so dramatic for no reason, but yeah, just keep watching, guys. So I already went ahead and filled in my brows with none other than the Precisely My Brow Pencil. To sculpt my brows, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I've used this a couple times. I actually really like it. I love how much product comes in this. I'm using the shade Chestnut. It has, was it shade or coconut? I don't know what it is. It has some kind of ingredient that's very moisturizing. I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow base as well. For eyeshadow, using this Profusion Wanderlust palette. I saw it, I wanted to try. They have several colors. I kind of want to start playing with color a little more, so I opted for this one. Very pretty. You got your shimmers, your mattes, your purples, your greens, your nudes, your neutrals. Another cool thing about this palette though is that it comes with a brush, which I think is really cool. I love when eyeshadow palettes come with brushes. First, I'm gonna go in with this terracotta brown shade. A statement in the palette. I love that they have names under them. Now I'm going to take this color Nostalgia. I'm going to take this color Majesty. I think I just want to apply it to like the center. It's probably coming off silver on camera, but it's like an olive-y tone gold. So now we got that portion done. We're gonna move on to skin. Quite a few new products I've been dying to get my hands on. I got the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Of course, I saw it in the checkout line at Sephora when I should have been minding my business, but it was the little mini one and it was so cute and I had to have it, so I bought it. I'm gonna prime first. And to prime, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Baby Skin, of course. I feel like this is like the high-end version of like the makeup revolution oil that I have, because they both smell the same. So that's probably a dupe for this. Now for foundation, do not judge me. But actually no. That's why Sephora and Ulta, well, I don't know about Ulta, because Ulta been on some stuff lately. There's a reason why stores like Sephora offer samples so that you can try them. This is the Born This Way foundation. And I got the color Chai. I got a sample mainly because I wasn't too sure about the color, but I've tried this one other time and I did wear it out and I loved it. I'm gonna wet my Morphe brush. It gives me like a your skin but better type of finish. Depending on how I feel, sometimes I'll do a couple layers. I did a couple layers today because I didn't color correct, so I want to make sure that the areas where I tend to be a little darker have enough coverage. Of course, to conceal, the Born This Way concealer. I want to see how the foundation and the concealer work together. I know a lot of brands feel like they would formulate their products to work together, so. Okie dokie. Blend that out. I've been collecting sponges lately, and this is actually one that I've got like maybe a couple months back that I've actually been loving as well. Sponge by NYX. Another new item I've been dying to get my hands on is this Bobbi Brown foundation stick. I use the shade Espresso to contour with. I think I'm going to use the booty version, the booty part of this. Okay. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing here. So now to set, of course, I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakerie, which is another one of my ride or dies. Set my contour, I'm using my black radiance, rich mahogany. I'm such a creature of habit. Like, this video is me trying new products, but there's just some products that are staples, so. To set my face, I use this black radiance dewy setting spray, which is new. Where did I buy this? It was either Target or Walgreens. It's affordable, so. I go ahead and apply my lashes off camera because you already know that's a struggle. Now to complete the bottom. For highlight, I'm going to use this MAC highlight that I've been eyeing for a minute as well. It's one of the Extra Dimension Skin Finishes. And it's just very pretty, like, I don't know if the camera really does it justice, but it's like this rose gold. Yeah, it's like a rose gold color. It's called Superb. Now for my lips, I'm gonna be taking this Toast lip liner. It's just a regular brown lip liner. I'm gonna go with this Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. It's in Hollywood Hot. I don't know how I felt about this liner. It's no chestnut, that's for sure. MAC chestnut, that is. I want to add some gloss to that, just a little bit. I'm gonna take this Black Radiance Clear Gloss. This is like, reminds me of like the clear lip glosses back in the days, the beauty supply store, dollar store, wherever you would get them. Give me that vibe. Hey guys, that's it for this look. I love pretty much all the products. The Farsali, I'm gonna keep using that. I love that. The Bobbi Brown contour stick, love that. Foundation and the concealer. As far as the Born This Way is concerned, I love them both. I am gonna go ahead and buy the full bottle. I just like, when it comes to foundation, especially in Sephora, Sephora's foundations ain't cheap, girl, okay? I wanna make sure that I love the product. I wanna see how it wears on my skin before I go ahead and I spend my coin, okay? Palette is very cute, I love it. I mean, it's $10, you can't really go wrong, it's 10 bucks. I mean, even if you don't like it, like, you didn't break the bank to buy it. So that's you know, kind of really why I wanted to try these. And if I can find a good quality product that's affordable, I'm definitely gonna recommend it. It's about all of them I would say I love, with the exception of maybe the NYX lip liner. That kind of failed me. I kind of bought it as a replacement because I can't find my MAC chestnut liner, and I'm trying not to be in my feelings about it. Like any brown lip liner, a brown lip liner is a brown lip liner, but this one is just not, it ain't it. It's just, it ain't it. I don't have much to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Seems to be some outside noise preventing me from making an intro. Disrespect is just unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Let's try it again. I'm hungry, I'm sorry. Whoever said ranch don't go on pizza, argue with your mama. I could never understand the fascination behind mukbang videos. Like, what do y'all get out of watching somebody else eat? I don't get it. Like, I'm not trying to like knock it or anything. I personally don't get it, especially if I'm hungry. Like, I don't get watching somebody else eat. I don't understand the fascination behind it, but whatever floats your boat, I suppose.